Okay, this is day 2, and I'm at a train station outside of Baltimore, and this is really weird for me. I'm really playing with this. I hate doing anything that feels like a public spectacle. Like, there are people walking around me and within earshot, and I think like that's totally mortifying for me. So I'm playing with how do I talk on the phone, or how do I do something like this when there are people who can see me as if I'm like stripping down or doing something horrible right now. And I'm noticing something really interesting because this was the first weekend that I stayed at my kids' apartment in Baltimore. My daughter got married in January, so she's sharing the apartment with her husband, obviously, and my son. And I was the mother-in-law sleeping on the couch this weekend. And I found myself wanting to get out of the way and not wanting to, get involved in the dynamic and trying to be super, super small or really not impact their life in any way. And I think that makes people uncomfortable actually when you're trying to not get in the way and you're trying to be super helpful. And like, I so didn't like how I was. And I remember when I was a kid, my dad would never liked having guests around. He hated having guests. And when we did have guests, he would go to so much effort to make them comfortable that it would almost be embarrassing. And I suddenly realized that I was doing the same thing. So this is a little bit of an experiment on how to be out there, how to have a footprint, how to have an impact, and not worry so much about what random people think about what I'm doing, because probably they're not, which I know for you is a shocker too. Anyway, that's what I'm thinking about. That's what I'm playing with right now. And welcome to Baltimore.